Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from the Kunuku Aqua Resort in Curacao. We just got here, we just checked into our room, which is in building K as in Kilo, room number 31, I believe, K31. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of our room. So we have these vaulted ceilings here. This over here is the master bedroom. It's a king-size bed. There's air conditioning up there. Okay, and then the bathroom is right here. Kunuku Aqua Resort. It's pretty modern. Shower. Nice and clean as far as I can tell. And then here you have two single beds for the kids. Nicely done. And this is probably our favorite part right here, is the balcony with the pool view. There is no ocean view here because this is inland. This is not on the beach or on any form of body of water. And then here is the view from our balcony, which is pretty cool. Seating for four out here, nice breeze, beautiful. Yeah, pretty impressive. We like it. We definitely like it. So far, so good. Let me know if you guys have stayed at the Kunuku Aqua Resort yourself before, or if you're looking to go, if you're looking to book this place. So far, our first impression is very positive. Leave a note in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Travel Guru TV for more travel-related videos from all over the world. Peace.